Welcome to the DirectAccess customer portal with 24/7 access to your account information and payment methods. In this module, we're going to take you through some highlights related to account registration and management. It is strongly recommended that the first person to register for a DirectAccess account is the person who will be the account administrator. As the admin user, you will have the ability to manage company settings. You can also add, edit, or delete the three other classifications of users for your company. They are called users, transactional users, and operations users. More about what you can do and what they can do in a moment. Other users can self-register through the DirectAccess customer portal or be added by you, the admin user. But we recommend that all additional users be added by you. As the admin user, it's your responsibility to regularly review the list of users and transactional users to ensure the validity of each account. As the admin user, only you can change the roles of other users once they have been assigned. Registration is easy. Simply visit the portal at www.directdayportal.com. When you get there, click on Register Now and enter your customer number. Your customer number appears on the right side of your invoices. Fill out the information on this page and then click Verify. At this point, you'll see the page where you will complete your user details. Select User Role. The most basic role is called a user. Users have view-only access to the DirectAccess customer portal. The next type of user is a transactional user. Transactional users can view and make payments on your account. If you are in an operational role, you can only view, download, and print the mill certificates. The type of user with the most privileges is the admin user. That's you. As the admin user, you have the same access as transactional users, plus you can manage account settings and other users. A company can only have one admin user, which is part of the reason we want you to be the first user to set up your account. Then, you can add other users as needed. We'll show you how to do that shortly. You'll need to fill out all the information on this page and click on Save to submit the page. At this point, a confirmation email will be sent to you. If you do not receive the email, check your spam filter. In the email, there's a link for you to confirm your account setup. Your sales representative will be contacted to verify and approve your account. This could take up to 7 days. Once your account has been verified by your sales representative, a confirmation email will be sent to you with a temporary password. Follow the directions in the email to change your password. Then you will be able to access the portal. As already mentioned, it is recommended all additional users be created by you, the admin user. How do you do that? Just log into your account using your email address as your username and enter your password. Click on the Administration menu button. Click Manage Users in the drop-down menu. This will bring you to a list of all current active users within your company. You can add a user by clicking here. Or you can edit an existing user by clicking here. Users and transactional users can also edit their own basic information. You can also delete a user by clicking here. Some customers may have multiple account numbers. If that applies to you, you can access all accounts by clicking here on your home page. You might need to add an account, and you can do that by clicking here. Requests to add accounts can only be done by the admin user. Your sales representative will validate the request. As the admin user, you can delete accounts that are no longer valid. You would do that here. Last, you can decide between paper, email, or both for delivery of your invoices, and select up to 5 additional email addresses to receive the email address. And that covers some of the highlights about account registration and management from within the DirectAccess customer portal. We hope this module has been useful to you. Please feel free to watch it again if you ever need a review.